fan on the HVAC system when you use this install. Almost every other install, you are going to have to run the fan on the HVAC system when the dehumidifier runs. So this one, dedicated return, tie into the supply. Florida Solar Energy came out with a study, 2018, that basically has endorsed this install now as part of Florida code, building code. So you can do 2 installs in Florida now. Dedicated return to supply and supply to supply, and we'll get into that a little bit more. But we always recommend to tie in on the supply side.
Wait, I'm on the wrong track. Yep.
Oh, so this is what this looks like here. I don't know, this is supposed to be a little video, but I don't know if that's an option. But this is basically how something like this would look. And there's that picture again. All right, we get this question a lot too. I have a 2-story home and 2